Our next speaker represents Nokia, and as most of us know, Nokia has something like an innovation center right here in Berlin that mostly deals with the questions of locations, mapping. So next up we're going to hear a lot about functionalities that Nokia's new OV platform offers for partners and for Nokia's own development in the field of locational services. Thank you very much. Martin, here's to you.
Thank you. So hi everyone, my name is Martin Ramsin and from Nokia Berlin. Going to talk a bit about the OV SDK that we launched a week ago in Nokia World in Stuttgart. So, Nokia in Berlin is quite a big place. It started in Gate 5, a German company that was doing navigation software, white label software for P&D devices like TomToms, similar to TomToms. Then it has expanded through a lot of acquisitions like Places, for example, Bitside, etc. And now we're something like 250 people in Berlin. So Berlin, the office in Berlin is actually called social location. So the whole thing is about location. Nokia is putting a lot of effort in location-based services, and not the least with the acquisition of Maptec. So in Stuttgart a week ago, we announced and also launched the OV SDK. So I'll show a few slides on that. Actually, I was going to show a demo, but don't have it on this computer. So I will show it afterwards at the table discussions. I'm going to show the great apps that our partners have been creating with the SDK. And just a few words about that. So we were working with publishers, media companies, and just during a few weeks in the summer, they were able to create pretty amazing apps using this SDK, so location-based services on this platform. So I'm going to show that later on the table, so we can all see how they work in reality. So we call these apps that we create with the SDK, we call them OV apps. We say they are a new class of apps, and why we say that is that we feel they are more relevant apps than most of the apps out there. They are relevant because they can use location, right? They are location-based services. They use location time as a filter to present relevant information that is very close to you. So just by without even doing a search or anything like that, you can get very relevant information next to you. Of course, we have the map data. So we have this 3D maps, vector-based map data, which you can do things like flying through the map, etc. And to visualize the data on the map is really great on a very small screen. And on top of that, we also have navigation. So we have car-based navigation and pedestrian navigation, turn-by-turn navigation. And what this does is actually that you can actually then go to the place in the real world. Not only will you find your favorite restaurants or bar or mobile Monday places on the map, but you will also actually be able to go there in real life. So we're quite excited about this kind of apps and what they can do. And of course, it's all mobile, right? So you always have this with you, always have those apps with you on your device. So that's pretty powerful. The OV SDK, as I launched a week ago, is now available in the beta, and anybody can go and grab it and download it. It's based on web technology, and this we think is really a big thing. So anybody that knows HTML and JavaScript can create these OV apps. That was never possible before. before, you needed to know C++ or Java, you needed to be a programmer basically. Now, anybody that has web technology knowledge, if you're a web designer, etc., you can create these kind of apps. So, so we think this kind of sort of democratize the application development. More and more people can do it. You can also do apps very fast, so you can do, say, in a couple of weeks, you can make an app. The SDK lives inside your web browser on PC and Mac, so it's a plugin, it's an add-on to your web browser, and you do all your development in the web browser. There's also an emulator, and as I said before, I'm going to show you later on how the apps look like and how the SDK looks like on the table. Is that fine? Okay, that was the last slide, actually. So, this is the address to go and grab the SDK. As I said, it's very fresh. It's the first beta of something that we think is going to be very big. We're going to add, of course, a lot of features to it. Right now, it's about maps, location, and navigation. We're going to add loads of more OB features and services as well. Thank you.